Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So since fall is just right around the corner, I decided to do a darker eye look for you guys. I've gotten a few people telling me that they're missing my old, a little bit more complicated look. So I was like, let me give the people what they want. I'm gonna do a dark look for you. And honestly, most of the times when I do dark looks, even though it looks good, I'm just a little bit too nervous to wear them out. But this look, I would actually wear out. So if you want to see how to create this look, please keep watching. Alright, so just my face minus highlighter off of camera, but I'm going to start this eye look using my eye primer, and this is Urban Decay's Eyeshadow Primer Potion. So I'm just going to go in and blend this out with my finger. Alright, so setting my lid, I'm going to be going in with ColourPop's Whatever palette. And I'm going to go in with Copycat. And I'm just going to take some of this color using my ColourPop F5. It's a pretty big brush. Just going to dip it in a little. I'm using a darker color to set this because this eye is going to be pretty dark. And if your lids are smaller, go ahead and use a smaller brush. So now going in and deepening up my crease, I'm gonna go in with Pass It On. I'm gonna go in using my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH36 blending brush. And just get this right in the crease. Next, taking a smaller brush, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 blending brush. It's a little bit shorter than the JH36, and picking up Maybe Later. And I'm just going to also pop this in the crease right below Pass It On. Now I just like to blend it out in a wing sort of way, just going straight out. I'm basically using every shadow in this palette. It's fine. I'm gonna go in with Bad Guy on my ColourPop E2 brush. Basically blends in halfway down my lid. For me, I just think the more transition shades, the better. Just makes the look come out so much more blended. So I'm just gonna pack this in directly in my crease and use my other brushes to blend it out. Then going in with that Maybe Later brush. And the Pass It On brush. And then to darken this up one more time, I'm going to be going in with Miss Brightside. Taking this on my Morphe S21 brush, I'm just going to pack it on my lid. And then using Bad Guy to just blend that out. And alternating between all the brushes again. Now I'm going to line my bottom waterline using ColourPop's BFF Cream Gel Liner in Joyride. That's just a dark maroon. Then going in with my small smudger brush, this is my Sigma E21. Picking up some of that very dark purple Miss Brightside and just smudging that liner out. Then going in with this pencil brush, my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH39. I'm going to be going in with Maybe Later, which is that second pink, and just blending this out. Then wiping that off, I'm going to lightly go in with Pass It On. get some of that orangey tone in there. I'm feeling like I look pretty evil right now. Weird. Now going in with my liner, I'm actually going to do a double liner. I'm going to do a glitter liner and black liner. So I'm going to start by lining the glitter liner with a gold shadow and then going over that with Duh from this palette. I'm going to be using Sistar Cosmetics Glow Glitters Shine Like a Diamond shadow. And using a small brush, a small eyeliner brush, I'm going to go in and see what happens. Then picking up some of that glitter. And then going in with my black liner, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Life Liner. And I'm going to be using the liquid liner and so next for lashes, I'm going to be going in with my Velour lashes in Can't Be Tamed. Going over that lash band using the kohl liner side. I'm just going to go into a little bit of mascara using my Buxom's Blackest Black. I lied, this is Buxom's Big Tease. I wonder where the Blackest Black went. Well, we're going to use Big Tease. And now for some highlight, I'm going to be going in with Laura Mercier's Face Illuminator in Addiction. Popping it on my nose, bridge, I'm also going to pop this on my inner corner. And then also just lightly putting this on my brow bone. And now for my lips, I'm going to line them using Makeup Forever's lip pencil in number 23. And then filling this in using Huda Beauty's matte lipstick in Girlfriend. Kind of like this little ombre look. Alright guys, and this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Hopefully you guys want to recreate this look, and if you do, please take a picture and tag me on Instagram at Chelseasmakeup. I love to see your guys' recreations. It literally makes my entire life, so please. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.